Okay, so I'm thinking of reverse engineering this website called Barco. That's where my wife works. So basically, it's a financial institution, and they offer loans, very short-term loans, and they also offer reverse engineer their website. So this is my planning stage, and let's see how it goes. So you can't do the application of loans and get their services from online. You have to go into a branch, and to do that, we're going to have a table that will be responsible for the branches called for the branches. Now I need to identify the attributes that each branch has so that I can start to see what it has to go within. Okay, let them remove the underline here. That's all. This will do fine. Let's give it color. Let's give it something. Yeah, it's a bit too dark. Maybe this one. Now each branch is located in provinces. And so that's like the different provinces. Well, we could say a province is a state, but a state is bigger than a province because a state is almost as big as a country. So we've divided South Africa into provinces. We have the Free State, the Gauteng, the KwaZulu, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, West, and the Northern Cape, then Western Cape. Let's say we want to look for a branch in Western Cape, but the first thing that we need is a province. But then we have to also put an ID. Let's put an ID for here. Then we'll put province. Let's pick Western Cape. This is where I am now. Within the Western Cape as a province, with different towns. Now, another attribute that we need is, of course, town. Now, let's dive in a bit deeper. Let's say we want to look at, let's have a look at Cape Town. This is the town. This area is called Cape 1 Grand Parade, and we have this location here. So we need to first have the address and let's say street name, then you'd say address. Now, what other parts makes up this branch? They have a phone which you can use to get in touch with them. So we need to also store the data of what phone they're using, so that each time that someone visits our website, they'll be able to retrieve that information. So we need to store all that attributes. Then we have a branch manager. In this case, her name is Noma Juana. So we need to have a branch manager. Branch, let's say, manager. What else? Then we have the email that you can use to reach out to them. Let's say email, just like that. So now what do we have? We have ID, province, town, street name, address, phone, branch, email. Let me call it this branch spelling. Left and end. Oh yeah, and I have a bracket there. So, all right. So the other table that we're going to need is the table for services. Right. Table for services. Just like that. We call it services. You also need to give it a bit of a color. I like to give it color up there so that we can separate that this is the table heading, not the attribute. We have an ID, and of course we have to see what service type is it. Just like that. Now, each branch may have more than one service. So it might have, say, offers loans and also offers funeral covers, or one branch may just offer loans with no funeral cover, depending on which area it is located. So we have to link these two tables. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to just make some space here. I'll just put the table here, link the table, and I'm going to give it a name. Think of what name I can give it. Oh, what name will I give it? Okay, let's just call it branch services. Like that. Now, we're not going to give attributes to this. When we link them, we're going to, the computer is going to generate a link for us already. But then the other thing is that, these branches, sometimes they close down for renovations, they close down for normally it's renovations, or they would maybe relocating. So another thing that we can do is let's have a smaller one here that we'll call status of the branch if it's open. What is it doing? No. Yeah. I'm gonna call it status. It's very almost like the ones that we're doing for Tumbles, but instead of doing a different website altogether. So we'll call it status. Let's call it status condition. Increase it a little bit, just like that. That will be the one attribute that I'll put there. Right. So then this is the linking table. This is the main branch tables. Services offered. Status of the branch. So you're not feeling so well. Let me see. Let's see. Quick branch. I had already designed some, but I'll see when I can open these. Okay. New model. And then I need to open assume already. I can this this one. Right, there we go. So this is the branch. I just have to add one. Let me see. ID. So on the branches, I have ID, I have province, I have town. I don't have street name. I need street name, address, phone, email, branch manager. I have all of them. So let me just add street name and address. Street name. Let's give it 100 characters. Should be unique. And address. Give it about 80 characters. Then now we have a few branches. The services, there's Wheatland, service type. Here's the service type. Now this is the linking. Of course, we didn't give any characters, because, any attribute, because once we link them, then they will already have then the status. I need to rename this branch ID. I want it to be called status condition. Well, it's called unique. No, not int. I want it to be yeah. So I give it at least. Let's just give it 40 just to be careful. Okay. So this is the design that I've reversed for Bank of Financial Services. The branches that are linked to the services that are offered by each branch, and each branch has its own attributes that are stored, and then each branch has a status, whether it's open or whether it's closed for one reason or the other. So yeah, that's the design, the small design for the back of financial services.